Finally, we got the actual hands-on look of Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, and yeah, it's in the real life. It's not the dummy, but the actual phone. Although, if you want a taller foldable phone, Z Fold 7 is on a massive deal right now from Samsung listed in this video. Now, Samsung is launching different foldable phones this year, but the more hype is towards the wider version of a Z Fold 8, which is now called Z Fold 8, and the other taller one, the successor of a Z Fold 7, will be called the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. But right now, we got the hands-on look. And this is spotted in Korea where a guy is using a phone in the public. And we also got another image where we saw the phone on the table with a protective case on. This is a secret case because Aishinwer said a Korean netizen recently spotted a Samsung employee dining at a restaurant while using what appears to be upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. It has now been renamed to Galaxy Z Fold 8. The device was covered by Samsung's internal anti-leak protective case, a special enclosure commonly used in prototype units to conceal the final design. As a result, most of the hardware details were hidden, with only parts of the display and frame remaining visible. Now, we can easily see this is much wider compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and there is only two cameras on the back, and both two cameras are not up to the mark compared to Galaxy Z Fold 7 and even the Galaxy Z Fold 8. But this is how wide we can get with the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now, I also shared the dummies of Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Wide. This phone is much wider compared to Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Now, some may like the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra design and others like the Galaxy Z Fold 8, but I still believe Z Fold 8 Ultra is still a champion with much into it compared to Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, because this is a new form factor. People want to try out that shorter and wider edition, but I still believe Z Fold 8 Ultra has more to offer. But let's be honest, a lot of people wanted to try out the wider edition. Now, we got more details about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Ultra. Samsung is launching two new foldables this year, but what about the pricing of these new foldable phones? Because we talked about different pricing schemes of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Ultra, but no news sources suggesting we may see a price increase on each of the devices. Well, it's not confirmed what we are going to get with the Galaxy Z Fold 8, the wider foldable phone, but the Ultra is actually going to see a price increase. I already talked about Z Flip 8 is also going to see a price increase, which barely see any upgrade. Now, Aishinwer said the original Fold 8 has been renamed to the Z Fold 8 Ultra. The only explanation is that the price has become even more ultra. So this indicates we may see a price increase on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Now let me explain how they are going to increase the price, and it's a smarter move from Samsung. Now we all know the storage options are getting expensive this year. Even with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung is going to make the base model exactly same as the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in terms of pricing. So $2,000 for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, which is exactly same as the Z Fold 7, but 512GB version and the 1TB version will going to see a price increase. This is a massive thing. Now the second thing, what about the Z Fold 8, the wider foldable phone? Rumors suggest we may see a $1,799 on Z Fold 8 wider edition, which is not confirmed yet, but we may see some fluctuation with the pricing, and I am quoting the base model pricing here because 512GB and 1TB version on even Z Fold 8 wider edition will be expensive compared to the base model. According to Universe, two new leaks. The crease control on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 series is just as impressive as that of the Apple Find 6. And the second one, the original Fold 8 has been renamed to the Fold 8 Ultra, while the original Fold 8 Wide has been renamed to Fold 8. This decision was made only recently. Now there are two new updates. First, let's talk about the crease on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. We already disclosed about the crease on Galaxy Z Fold 8 a while ago, where Samsung showcased the difference between the older crease and the new crease, and the newer one is less visible compared to the previous generation. But later down the line, I said the Galaxy Z Fold 8 series doesn't have a privacy display feature, doesn't support the S Pen, and the crease doesn't improve much. But he also replied to this message: yes, this is the first version test, and the last new version has significantly improved the crease, which means we are going to see really good crease management on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, because Apple Find 6 came with such an impressive crease management. And if Samsung is matching the same crease level, I'll be really happy to see that less visible crease on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. This is probably one of the most important update, and yes, coming on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. But if you already use the foldable phone, crease doesn't matter much, because over time crease will be more visible, because the number of folds you do with your Galaxy Z Fold lineup, it will start growing the crease in the longer run. So I think the regular fold users don't really bother with the crease. On this note, if you're still here, Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.